Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the fully upgraded Sentinel skin in Fortnite. So here's the sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the face area first. So we're just kind of drawing like a little angle coming down like this. This is going to be the top of his visor. And then from there we're going to taper in. Just kind of slant it down and then come in, but leave a little bit of space in the middle. Okay, and then to draw in the visor area, so the eye area right here, just gonna draw in the same shape on the bottom right here. Okay, I know it's a little bit strange with all these angles. So back to the center here, just draw one line coming down. And then on these corners here, just come down and then close it off right here. And it's a little bit of a tricky shape. Alright, and then now we're going to draw around it. So right here on the side here, just come out. And then close it off, straight line. And then right in the middle here, I'm just going to draw two lines. Looks like little vents. Alright, and then now let's continue on to the top. So from the middle, let's go up, and then we're going to draw an even bigger V shape here. It's kind of the same slant as this, but just a lot longer. And then from these corners, come back in to this area right here. And then on the inside here, we're going to draw one more line. This is going to be, I guess, like a yellow ball right here. And then on the top of the head, just one big kind of dome shape. And that's going to be the top. And now let's go ahead and finish up the bottom. But before we draw the bottom, right here, I'm going to draw slant down. This is actually part of his chest area right here. And then I'll just close it off for now. And then to finish off the face area, just kind of keep going down here. Come down. And then go into this shape. And that's going to be the head. Alright, and then he's got the neck right here, but we can't draw that until we finish this, this shoulder area. So we're just going to draw one line across here. Come down. This is going to be his armpit area, and then now we can finish up the head right here. So right here, let's draw two slants going out, and that's going to be his neck. Alright, so yeah, so lots of little strange angles. So let's continue on, and right in the center, just come down. This is just going to be one big rectangle past this line here, and then from this corner, from the armpit corner, just connect that. So that's going to be the chest area, and now let's come down to the waist. So back here, just slant it down, nice and skinny here. Come across, and then let's just go ahead and draw in the belt area right here. So I'm going to extend this line here. Right in the center here, I'm just going to draw a little box. And then to finish off the belt area, just come down and just come into this square right there. So it's a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter. And then we'll keep coming down here to finish up the hip, so this would be a good stopping point. So right around here, just come down and then slant in and then close it off. And then we'll leave it like that, and let's just go ahead and come back up here and finish up the details for the chest area. So right here, I'm just going to slant in and close it off. So these are just extra details. Okay, so these are a lot easier to draw once we have the overall shape. So a little rectangle there. And then right up here, I'm just going to draw another line. Okay, and he's got some more vents here. So just come in right there. So just come in Just draw like a little rectangle right here. And then for the vent, I'm just gonna draw a bunch of little lines all the way down. Same thing on this side. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw in his arms. So right here, extend this line and draw a little rectangle, a long one. So let's just go ahead and draw it on this side as well. So hopefully we can make this symmetrical. Okay, and then for his arms, his shoulder, this one's gonna curve down, and here's the armpit. We're just gonna come up here and just close it off. And then for the lower arm, we're gonna start here. For the bicep, just come down a slight curve, come back up here, same thing, and then just close this off. Alright, and keep going down. So we just flare it out. This one's gonna be a little bit straighter since it is a robot, so we're just gonna come down and close it off. And then for the wrist, again, just another rectangle. And then for the fist, little hook, back of the fist, come down, round it and close it. And we're adding some details here. Let's go ahead and draw on the other side first. So right here on the shoulder, curve down. Okay, same thing here, just come across, close it off. And then come down, back to the center here, the armpit. Close it off. Flare out slightly and then come back in. Close it off with a horizontal line. And the same thing here, little rectangle. Then the fist, hook, back of the fist, and then just round it, close. And for some detail, let's just add, it's got like little pieces coming out here. So just extend that line, make a little rectangle right there. Extend it. And then right here, it's got another rectangle. So I'm just gonna draw one line like this first. And then go in. And this one's gonna go in and just come back down and close everything off. Alright, and if you want to add in a little bit more detail, we can add in just little things here, makes a big difference. Little rectangle there, and then one line in the center. Alright, so those are easy things to do. Just makes it look more complicated when it's all done. Alright, so now let's move on to his legs, and in the center here, it's going to be pretty long. So we're going to start down here, just extend it all the way down, and close it off. And then for the hip area, just come out. I know it's a little bit strange. And then now we're going to draw in his leg. So from this point here, come all the way down, come in, and then we're going to come over here, start slightly up here, come down, go in and then close it. So that's going to be his thigh. So let's draw on the other side, slant, right around here, same thing, come down, slant, and close it off. And let's just go ahead and add in the details right here. So right here, I'm just gonna draw another line, same slant as this. Right here, just go all the way up and out. And then right here on the side, I'm gonna go out, and this one's gonna go way past the thigh, and just come back in and just close it off right around there. Okay, so same thing here, go out, same slant, just go all the way down, come back in, come back to that point. And then let's just add in one more, just extra detail on the side here, just one little long rectangle. Okay, and then on this side, another rectangle. So again, just small little details. Makes it look a lot cooler. Alright, and then for the lower leg, and we have to join the knee. So we'll just extend this line. Just come in, make it a little bit smaller here. And then inside, same thing, just follow that line. So extend it, and then just kind of taper in. Close it. And then one more shape inside, just follow the outside lines. Okay, so that's his knee, and let's continue on. So I'm just gonna extend this line here. It's a long rectangle. Close it off. And then just add another rectangle on the bottom. And then from here, just go up here slightly. We're gonna slant it out. And then just go all the way down to the corner right there. So it's nice and skinny right here. Okay, so same thing here. Just extend the line. One more rectangle for the ankle area. Come up here, flare out, and then come back in all the way here. Alright, and then for his foot, it's very easy. We're just gonna slant down, just slant down like this first, and we're gonna come straight across, come out a little bit more, and then just close it so it's nice and sharp here. And then we're just adding one line right in the center. And then right here, we're gonna slant it down, this the ankle area, and then draw the same slant here, just go all the way down to his foot. Okay, so same thing here. So we're gonna slant down, and then we're gonna draw a horizontal line straight across. Close this, should be nice and sharp. And then one line in the center. And then same thing here, slant, and then down into the foot. And that is it for this fully upgraded Sentinel. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.